What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we finally got the Mi Band 3. What's great about the Mi Band is it's super small, it's very discreet, it's very affordable, especially compared to a lot of fitness tracking devices. It's full waterproof up to 50 meters or 80 PSI. It's running Bluetooth 4.2. It's made out of ABS plastic. It has a 0.7-inch OLED touch display. It's compatible with Android 4.4 and above and iOS 9.0 and above. So it actually has a 110 milliamp hour battery. It only takes 2 hours to charge and it lasts for up to 20 days. It has an alarm clock. My girlfriend Valerie loves to use this as an alarm clock because it'll vibrate. So you can set it and not wake anybody else up. Even if you just bought it as an alarm clock for yourself, so that way you don't wake up your partner, it works great for that. This thing has a whole bunch of different functions. Bluetooth dialing, call reminder, it measures how many calories you burned, it tells you the date and time, pedometers, it has a sedentary reminder. The sleep management on these are really cool. It'll actually track your sleeping pattern. From what I did see, the locking mechanism on this is a little different than the Mi Band 2. Apparently there were some issues with the bottom or the back piece coming off, and I guess they fixed that, so that's cool. So we've got one band, a charger. I'm guessing this is probably the exact same as the Mi Band 2, and then an instruction manual. So the brains of the Mi Band is right there. That's basically the whole kit and caboodle. Now to charge it, you've got these little connectors right here, and you just take it like that. Now remember, you only have to do this like once a month. Now the band is pretty much identical to the old one. It's got a very nice smooth rubber. These things are amazingly comfortable. You can also get a ton of different ones. There's a lot of them out there. I'll actually link them down below. There is a huge amount already on GearBest. You can make it look like a real fancy watch, or you can just different colors, whatever. But it's a real simple installation. You can see here how they actually have this notch, so the rubber actually goes around this. Bam, and there we go. Oh, that is really nice. Let me take off my Amazfit Pace. This watch is amazing. Ever since I unboxed this, I've worn it all the time. If you guys are interested in this one, and I highly suggest this one, check out this video. Well, check out that video right there. Bam, there we go. It's really small, very discreet. Oh, see, that's what they were talking about. Okay. Well, maybe the firmware will give us English, I hope. All right, well, I'm gonna wait for this. Oh, no. Wow, that's better. I was like super bright for a second. Totally forgot I had my extra light on. Sorry. All right. Oh, look at that. Yes, it's in English. You got your date, you got your time, step counter, not sure. Oh, okay, step counter, distance, how many calories you've burned, how much battery is left. I haven't charged it yet, so. Heart rate, that's cool. So it's got the weather built in, today, tomorrow, Friday. Oh, cool, so it gives you 3-day weather. That's nice. Notifications, so if you get any notifications, they'll show up on here. Stopwatch, you can turn it on silent. You can hold this down to find your phone. Bam. Got it. I said I got it. Thank you. You can change the face on it, which is nice. If you want a little more of the fitness aspect, it'll have your steps right there. In the app, it'll tell you right off the bat the battery unlock screen. When you have this feature on, it will detect that it's close by within a proximity, and it will automatically unlock your phone, so you don't have to keep swiping or putting in your PIN or anything like that. You just basically pick it up and turn it on, you're in. Incoming calls you can turn on and off. You can turn on your reminders. So you can add individual reminders on here for yourself, your alarm, app alerts. Of course, you got your idle alerts, and then there's even more. But there you go. So yeah, the app has a ton of features in it. The Mi Band 3 has a much sleeker design than the old one. I don't have the Mi Band 2 on me. I love Xiaomi products, and also thank you, Xiaomi, for updating the firmware. It automatically switched to English for me, and I love that. Definitely digging it. I'm definitely digging the improvements. It's definitely an improvement over the last one, and now I'm gonna go and give this to my girlfriend, because if I don't, she'll kill me. But anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. As usual, you guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here.